A lot of people use our barnwood throughout their house, but what I want to show you today is how a little barnwood can go a long way. Okay. If you decide to do anything where you record music, this stuff makes music sound amazing. That fits nice. Be excited. Be excited. Wow. You too can have this. This table saw is awesome. Oh yeah. Board. Hold the board! It's the last piece. Rockstar. As you can see, we've got our wall finished in the back. Totally warms up the space. Super easy to do, less than 2 hours to get it done. 2 boxes of wood is all it was required to get this done. Cost effective, great way for you to take a space and bring it to life. If you're interested in a space like this, check out Beyond Barnwood.